we should consider whether we have committed wrongdoings that may lead us to fall into the hell realms. If such a possibility exists, we must confess as soon as possible, for we cannot know when death will come. Each of us should contemplate this, as many eminent masters have said. Attaining a human life is rare, and it is a blessing to have met a qualified guru and received supreme pith instructions thanks to the merit accumulated from our past lives over many kalpas. Thus, it is truly unfortunate if someone does not practice diligently now. They will enter the Bardo state empty-handed, lacking sufficient accumulated merit at the time of death. As a result, they could be swept away by the winds of karma into the 3 lower realms. The excruciating pain experienced by beings in hell, as well as by hungry ghosts and animals, is beyond our imagination. Considering the numerous misdeeds we have committed and the limited good deeds we have performed, none of us can be certain that we will escape the consequences of a bad rebirth.